everyone! My name is Kinanti Petronelege Bisulia and this is...
My name is Salva Suciawati. Let's talk more about career development. What factors do you think influence a person's choice of career?
I think a person's career choice is influenced by a combination of internal and external factors. Family expectation can play a very big role, especially in cultures where stability and financial security are highly valued. For example, some parents strongly encourage their children to pursue careers like medicine, engineering, or law because they believe those paths are more reliable. Personal interests also matter, but not everyone has the privilege to follow their passion, especially if they come from a background where they need to earn money quickly. Besides that, financial needs, jobs availability, and the economic situation of the country can affect someone's decisions. Sometimes people choose a career simply because it's practical or because it guarantees income, not necessarily because it's their dream. Another factor is exposure. If someone grows up in an environment where certain careers are common, they might naturally lean towards those fields because they feel more familiar. And even mental or emotional state can influence career choice. People might choose something less stressful if they're dealing with burnout, or something more challenging if they're feeling ambitious. So overall, it's really a mix of personal preference, social environment, and the opportunities a person encounters throughout their life.
I think people should change their careers during their lifetime.
Yes, I think changing careers during a lifetime is completely normal, and in many cases, it actually necessary. People grow older, their interests change, and their priorities shift. The world and the job market also evolve so quickly that a career that was popular or secure 10 years ago might not be the same today. For some people, staying in one job forever might give them comfort and stability, but for others, it can feel limiting or unfulfilling. Many people only discover what they truly enjoy after trying different types of jobs or gaining more life experience. Changing careers can feel scary because it often means stepping out of your comfort zone, learning new skills, or even starting from zero. But it can also lead to a more meaningful and satisfying life. As long as a person is willing to adapt, learn, and accept challenges, I think career changes can be a positive step. It shows resilience and self awareness, and it can open doors to opportunities they never considered before.
How has technology affected the kinds of jobs people do today?
Technology has had a massive impact on almost every aspect of work. It has created entire industries and job roles that didn't exist in the past. For example, content creation, data analysis, app development, and digital marketing. At the same time, technology has automated some traditional jobs, making certain tasks faster but also reducing the need for manual labor. In many workplaces, technology increases efficiency, allowing people to complete tasks more quickly and with fewer mistakes. However, it also raises expectation. Employers often expect workers to multitask, communicate constantly through digital platform, and adapt to new tools or software regularly. For some people, this is exciting because it pushes them to grow and opens up more opportunities, but for others, it can feel overwhelming and stressful.
Do you think education prepares people well for the workplace?
Overall, technology hasn't just changed the types of job available, it has changed the way people work, the skill they need, and the pace at which they're expected to operate. I think education prepares people to some extent, but not fully. Schools and universities tend to focus heavily on theory, which is important, but it doesn't always match what actually happens in a real work environment. Many students graduate without practical skills such as teamwork, problem solving under pressure, time management, or effective communication in a professional setting. Another issue is that some industries develop so quickly that the curriculum can keep up. By the time a student finishes their degree, certain tools or methods taught in class might already be outdated. That's why practical experience like internship, part-time jobs, or volunteering is just as important as academic knowledge. So while education provides a foundation and teaches people how to think critically, a lot of essential learning still happens on the job. People have to keep improving themselves outside the formal education system if they want to stay competitive, and adaptable in the workplace. Thank you. That's all for me, guys. Thank you, and sorry if I made a lot of mistakes. Good night.
Bye. Thank you.